Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening PowerPoint and creating a new file. Pick a template or blank presentation so layout decisions don't slow you. Once done, set the slide size under Design to widescreen 16:9 or a custom size for your display. Make sure to save immediately with File Save As and choose a clear file name and folder. Save often as you work so you don't lose progress. Now you add slides and structure content. Use Home Layout to pick the right slide type so placement is consistent, and insert text boxes, pictures, shapes, or charts via Insert to communicate visually. Once you've placed items, align and distribute with the Arrange tools and maintain consistent fonts and sizes so slides read clearly. Make sure to keep one idea per slide, use concise bullets, and Preview and Slide Sorter to check flow and pacing. Finish by running slideshow from the beginning and confirm transitions, animations, and timings play as intended. Adjust durations if a slide feels rushed. Once satisfied, export to PDF or create a video for sharing, and embed fonts when using unusual typefaces to preserve appearance. If media won't play, relink files, compress large videos, or update Office. These steps usually resolve playback problems so your presentation runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.